Yes, it's a baby girl again. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are wonderful. I hope you guys are okay. Yes, good afternoon from here. Yeah, today is on Thursday and it's 12:35 p.m. here in Nigeria. Yes, good afternoon, good morning, good evening according to your time. Yeah. So guys, on today's video I'll be doing hair coloring here, and the hair I'll be coloring is this one I'm putting on. I want to color this hair, like I want to color it. So the reason why I want to color this hair is because since I wig this hair, I've only worn it once. Yes, once, when I went to collect my COVID vaccine card. Yes, that was last month. That was last month. I only won it last month, and the video I did when making this hair, yeah, that was the first time I won it. I've not won it out except last month that I went to take my COVID vaccine card. So the main reason I don't like wearing this wig, like I think the wig is just too blonde. It's too blonde for me. Although I love colors, but you see, I'm fair in complexion and I'm still putting on blonde hair. Like, just imagine. A lot of people just be staring at me when I go outside, and I don't want them to stare. So that is the main reason I'll be turning this hair to a red color, not sharp red, calm one. Yeah. So like I said, I'll be using this color. Looking at this, it seems is orange, but is red. Yes, so it's a ruby red Adore 64. So, and the coloring method I will be doing is watercolor. I love doing watercolor. It's more faster, it's more easier. You yourself can do it at home. Yes, if you want to color your hair, if you want to color a black hair, the first thing you need to do is to bleach your hair first. After bleaching, rinse out the bleaching. After rinsing it out, then just when your hair is still wet, just put hot water in the fire, let it boil like hot water, 100-degree. Let it boil. After boiling, put it down, then start applying a little bit of the Adore color. If you are using Adore, then just put a little bit, stir, then put your hair inside, and make sure you don't just put your hair and leave it there. Just make sure you use the hair to absorb the color. Once the hair has finished absorbing the color inside the water, you will see the water will become lighter. You'll be seeing clear, like it will be crystal clear. I will show you. I'll just tell you what I'm trying to say. So after that, once you notice that the hair is just the color on the hair is not what you are looking for, continue doing it until you get your desired color. Yeah, so without wasting so much time, guys, without wasting your time, without wasting your time, without wasting your time, let's get right into it. And before we go, guys, please guys, please, I will always beg you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the post notification to keep you updated anytime I post a new video. Yes, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also don't forget to comment down below any video you want me to be uploading on my YouTube channel, and I will gladly do that. And also don't forget to share to your loved ones, to your friends, and to your family. Yes, help me share this video, guys. Help me share. So let's get right into it. the stains are all gone, as you can see. So don't be afraid of you using your toilet toilet bath tub because of the stain, because of the color. Use it once you are done coloring your hair, then you just put hypo and everything is gone. Yeah. Here's the, and this hair is 30 inches hair. Carry. So guys, I hope you like this color, and let me know in the comment section if you prefer this color than the one it was before. I will be like, I'm in the comment section, I'm reading your comments, I'm waiting for your comments. Just comment down below, I'm ready to reply you guys. I'm going to reply you guys. Just let me know if you see. The main thing I love about this hair is that, like, can just, did you see? Just switch. So like I was saying, just let me know in the comment section. And this hair is not a bone straight hair. If I did not tell you guys this hair is not a bone straight, you guys won't know. Like, you won't know, because the way I forgot to film where I was using my iron to straighten it out. Like, if you don't have straightener, you don't have hot comb, you don't have hand dryer, what you need to do is just, if you have iron at home, just plug your iron straight out the hair. Then once it gets to the front, and if you have dummy, or if you don't have them, just put it down. Be careful, put the closure part in your palm, and just be careful so that you won't burn your hand. Put the closure part in your palm and just use the iron to flatten this side. Yeah. So if you don't have straightener, you don't have stretcher, you don't have stretcher, you don't have hot comb, you don't have hand dryer, you don't need to kill yourself. Yeah, don't kill yourself over it. All you need to do is just to get your iron and iron your hair. So like I said, I will be waiting at the comment section to see what you guys say concerning this hair. Yes guys, so this will be the end of this video, and please, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the post notification to keep you updated anytime I post any video, and don't forget to comment down below. Like I said, comment down below. I'm waiting for you guys on the comment section. Comment down below if you really love this color, and if you prefer the first one than this, or you prefer this than the one it was before. So guys, and also don't forget to share to your loved ones, your family, and to your friends. Bye.